Today I have a plan with me for you, and this is another like not fall spread for fall, but it's my oldest daughter's birthday. Oldest daughter, she's my only daughter. She's turning 15 on October 3rd, and I have this kit that I've had for so long. It's from AmbersDesignStudio. It's on glossy paper, so we will be getting some reflections, but she's no longer open, and I bought this during her closing sale. It is one of her birthday kits. It's kind of generic for, you know, all of this. So anyway, I've been sick, as you can probably hear, and I'm not going to be talking through this video, but my daughter's birthday is this day, and we're going to be going out to dinner and doing things like that, and then this is my husband's long week to work. So yeah, so don't forget that this is a collab with the Play With Me design group, and this is October 1st through the 7th. It's so nice that the 1st is on a Monday, so we don't have those like crazy blended colors. We'll get into this video, and I will talk to you guys again at the end. So you know what that means? Here we go. I think it came out really pretty. It's very pink, which she's not gonna like, but I really enjoyed it. This gold foil clear stickers from Me and My Big Ideas, the Happy Planner, one of the books. Let's see, this habit tracker is from AB Organizing, Paper and Gumption, Cupcake Plans, or Cupcakes and Stickies, sorry. Tasseled Planner, that's from a freebie I don't remember. Paper and Gumption, and Tip Loves Crafts. Everything else was from the kit, so I realized I didn't go over the kit first, so I'm really sorry about that. But it's a very full kit, so you can see there's lots and lots of stickers as I've been flipping through them in this video. I'm sure you can tell. So we used all the full boxes, bottom washi, and then I cut these up. So all of this stuff will go with me just in case I need it for anything. And yeah, let's show you last week, or this week, how it's going. So here's how this week's going. I really like it. I think it's I think it came out really well and like cohesive with that little bit of silver foil that I was able to add from that freebie. Yeah, so anyway, don't forget to check out the Plan With Me design group. Links are down below. You can definitely head over and join the Facebook group. It's a lot of fun. And if you would like to join, please get a hold of Miss Beth. She is Beth Graves, or Beth Beauty and More, here on YouTube. And I will talk to you guys again very, very soon. Please like and subscribe if you're not already. And I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you so much for watching. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.